EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marcus here with your outlook for the weekend, October 5th and 6th, 2019. For your Saturday, mostly sunny skies are expected today. Very chilly start across some areas, especially far interior where we had some frost overnight and some freezing temperatures up near the Pennsylvania-New York border. But that high pressure is going to be in control of our weather today and is going to give us a very nice day here on Saturday. The pick of the 2 days this weekend is going to be today, with temperatures that are kind of similar to what they were yesterday. So another day that is going to be very autumn-like and just not as breezy as it was yesterday with this high pressure control. Mostly sunny skies are going to continue, and then once we get into the overnight, this high moves off to the east. We'll have an increase in clouds in some interior areas ahead of this next cold front. Now, this frontal boundary is going to be an important player in our weather, more so on Monday, but it's going to get hung up because this high pressure out to the east here is going to represent a ridge eventually as it sits out here. So it's going to slow this forward advance of this front as it's coming eastward and not allow it to move quickly too far eastward too quickly. Okay, so it's going to slow it up a little bit, and that's going to slow down the timeline of all the precipitation expected in our region. So as we move forward here, it could be a stray shower in the interior locations here on Saturday. Just going to keep a low chance of that, maybe a 20% chance of a stray shower, sprinkle kind of thing. As you get over the NAM here, looking the overnight Saturday night as the clouds are rolling into the interior, you see maybe a spotty shower, drizzle kind of thing. And that goes right into today on Sunday. Again, mainly far interior areas, so it's mainly not just northwest of I-95. It's more like northwest of there that you have an opportunity for a stray shower in the forecast. So if you look at our southeast PA forecast for Sunday, I think I said Saturday there, Sunday, you'll see a 20% chance of a shower up here in these northern regions, but not down here by the Philadelphia area and southeast PA. So we think it stays dry there, just mostly cloudy here on Sunday. That's the only difference between Saturday and Sunday, other than the temperatures going up quite a bit. We're going to have temperatures going to be lower 60s or thereabout, low to mid 60s on Saturday, and near 70, maybe even the low 70s down here on Saturday with those mostly cloudy skies. So there's going to be a temperature difference as well as we go from Saturday to Sunday. But the better the 2 days, better the 2 weekend days is definitely going to be Saturday with the mostly sunny skies expected. And then we have, again, this system is going to be very slow to move eastward. Maybe another isolated shower overnight, but I think this is mainly a Monday deal where this front comes through. See, it's very slow to move eastward. I'm thinking from Saturday. This is actually looking at Sunday night, going all the way to Monday night, and it only moves that far in that amount of time. So Monday should have periods of showers and periods of at least light rain. There may be some heavier rain out here in parts of central PA up into northeast PA, but I think the heavier rain is going to escape areas further south and east and just have showers as it moves eastward, as you can see that here. But that does wrap up, it looks like, on Monday evening, and then clouds will begin to decrease very late at night on Monday night. And then behind that, we have high pressure moving in. This is a reinforcing front. This frontal boundary, once it moves through, is going to, well, it's not like that. I just did a jiggly line here, but the whole idea here is on the other side of the front, high pressure is going to move in here. This is not as strong of a reinforcing shot as the cool shot we have currently. So we're expecting temperatures to go down behind the front from the 70s back into the 60s, but probably mid to upper 60s is what we're looking at for highs. So a little cooler and back down to kind of near average instead of slightly below. So this high pressure will be a driver in the weather for Tuesday. That's going to give us partly sunny skies early. Will become mostly sunny, and then it'll remain mostly sunny on Wednesday and Thursday. High pressure still in control. Then we have another front that's going to approach late on Friday. So we'll call it sunny to partly cloudy because we're going to have maybe some clouds starting to filter in the afternoon ahead of this frontal boundary, which should come through here either Friday night or Saturday. So we'll narrow down the timing, but that when we get a little bit closer, could be a few showers with that front as well. Other than that, not a lot of precipitation to speak of, and that's going to be just the reoccurring theme here. We have, at least we're getting something now, and I said that in a long-range outlook that I wrote yesterday. At least we're getting something, and we're not getting just bone-dry conditions. We're getting some just few and far in between still, so that hasn't changed as far as events, but the amounts of rain with each one aren't really a lot because you're just dealing with cold fronts, and you gotta hope that these cold fronts slow up a little bit just to give you any more rain out of them, squeeze some more rain out of it before they move through. So we could be looking at some places getting over a half inch, especially in the interior here on Monday, and we'll keep following that here for the next forecast video, which is scheduled for Monday morning. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marcus. That is your outlook for the weekend, October 5th and 6th, 2019. Have a great Saturday and Sunday.